Well, howdy there pluckers, Ivor Sore Fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This one is in response to several requests I've had for another Bryan song called Mine. Standard tuning and capoed at the 3rd fret, puts us into the same key as Bryan performs the song in. I'm going to go through the intro, the first verse, first chorus for you, break it all down, show you exactly how I played it, and you'll be good to go. For the whole song it just repeats more verses and choruses and they are played in the same way, okay? Just got different words on the verses obviously. So here we go, singing as usual for reference purposes only, okay? So here we go. There's a fire burning in the basement, a hungry struggle for you. I freeze my whole life if they'll walk away from. You have given hope where hope is hard to find. And I hate the man I am, but I love him when you're mine. When you are mine, no way so angry. When you are mine, will only a thing since you are mine. Oh Lord, will take me, and I could die right now with no questioning. And off into the second verse. Okay, so there you have it. So let's get to the breakdown. So the introduction, basically it starts on a C chord and you sort of strum it, bit of a hammer in there, that second finger lifts up, hammers into that 2nd fret, and you play an A minor, and then you basically bring up this 2nd finger and hit that 2nd fret on the A string, the 5th string, so, and then back to the C and another hammer. Okay, so it's got it? That's the gist of it. Okay, so and basically, so just go through that again slowly for you. So start off with a C, hammer, A minor, 2nd fret on the 5th string, and you can sort of hit the notes, strum into the C, hammer, repeat, right, and you just do that as many times as well. I think that's just free and easy. He probably plays it slightly different each time, and when you're ready to start singing you just go into the verse. Okay, so this, I think on the track I saw on YouTube, he does it something like this. There's a fire burning in the basement, I only strove for you. Okay, and that's how I think his timing was on the version I saw anyway. And so the verse starts singing, it's on C, and there's fire in the basement, and A minor, just like you did on the intro, only, and then that finger goes up, 2nd finger goes up to the 2nd fret on the 5th string. So a quick hit on that, and then a strum. Got that? And then that hammer again, like you did on the intro. Play the C and then hammer. So, there's a fire in the basement, I always strove for you. 2nd line exactly the same. I freeze my whole life for the war. So let's just do the 2 lines together. There's fire in the basement, and I always strove for you. I freeze my whole life if thou walk away. 3rd line the same. You had given hope where hope is hard to find. stops on hate, okay? And I hate the man I am, but I A minor, love him, up to that second on the fifth again. When you're mine, again that's the A minor, then second fret, fifth string, up to C, and then a hammer. Okay, so let's just go through the intro and the first verse, and then we'll go into the chorus, okay? So introduction. Right, here comes the verse. Fire burning in the basement, but I only stood for you. I'd freeze my whole life if I fell all the way through. You have given hope where hope is hard to find. And I hate the man I am, but I love you when it's mine. Okay, then we go into the chorus, which is an F bar chord, okay? And basically you're playing the sort of bassy side of things, okay? And so when you're mine, when you are mine, and so A minor, angry, when you are G, mine. And there's a bit of a hammer there, okay? So when you go to the G, it's, and then you open up that fifth string and hammer into it on the second fret. Okay, so after the end of the first verse, when you're mine, when you are F mine, no ain't so A minor, angry, when you are G hammer, mine. This world don't see, owe me a thing, since you are F mine. Oh Lord, don't A minor take me, and G stop. I could die right now with no C, arms of questioning. And then we go into the interlude between the two verses. Okay, the first chorus and the second verse. Okay, so it comes, die right now with no C, arms of questioning. Bit of a strum on C, hammer if you like with that second finger there on the fourth string. So it's, and then into F, to A minor, and then we lift up that on the interlude, in between the chorus and the verse. He lifts up this third finger off the third string, off the G string, and then hammers it back and forwards, okay? So it comes right. So that's so coming out of the first verse, where it goes, I could die right now with no crimes of questioning. G hammer, back to C hammer. There were perhaps cans on the flagstone. Back into the next verse, okay? So there you have it, it's all that. So we'll just go through the whole thing again now. I'll do it a little bit slower. Intro, first verse, first chorus, and then the interlude, okay, if you want to call it that. Okay, so let's go. There's a fire burning in the basement and I only spoke for you. I'd freeze my whole life if I fell all the way through. You have given hope where hope is hard to find. And I hate the man I am, but I love you every time. When you are mine, so angry, when you are mine. This world don't owe me a thing, since you are mine. Oh Lord, please take me, no crime, no questioning. Okay, there you have it. Hopefully that'll help you play that song, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.